Hi, it's Dow here at the Firehouse Detail Shop. As we're detailing and teaching you how to detail the engine compartment, there's a couple of things that are connected and part of that we want to make sure we do a safety check. We want to make sure things are looking good, operating clean. So obviously this dirty car here hasn't had our love and attention to it yet. We're going to go through and we're going to clean all of these trim areas. We're going to dress it up, and when we're finished it's going to look beautiful. But when we're doing an engine compartment, we also want to check out headlamps. For us, even though it's on the exterior of the car, it's one of those areas where this environment here in Utah, we get a lot of rock chips. In fact, this headlight's got a rock chip here. Fortunately, it doesn't look like it's got water in it. There are some different things you can use to go in and actually extract the water out of it, if it's fogged over, if it's dirty. But the other thing that can happen is an amount of rock chips just hazes this over, and even UV on the plastic ones. So there is a headlamp polish, and with an applicator or a towel, if you just get that, make sure you've got it shaken up, and get it on here. We can actually go through, and it has a little bit of cutting, and we just rub that across the headlamp. And if we go back and forth and on that, it's going to take the hazing off. It's going to take some of the light rock chips out of there, and you're going to get better performance out of your headlamps, and it's also going to make the car and the vehicle look better. So we work on that. We'll come back through with it, shine it up, maybe even a microfiber towel as a final step, and the headlamp and the trim around it, we'll probably then dress that up so it looks beautiful as well. And you've got a more efficient headlamp. You've got your molding and trim, which has got a silicone on, which keeps it soft, and an overall better and satisfied experience with the detailing of your car.